One of the keys to establishing the nature of 3I Atlas in its post-perihelion phase will be to determine what caused its reported acceleration. If it was caused by the interstellar object itself losing some of its mass under the sun's radiation, then it would be regarded as a natural object. In that case, in its post-perihelion state, it would appear much brighter and possibly even with a tail. Losing some of its own mass due to the sun's heat acts as a sort of propulsion fuel, giving some extra acceleration. On the other hand, however, if 3I Atlas does not appear to have lost a discernible amount of its own stuff and yet managed to accelerate, then we are confronting the very real possibility of non gravitational acceleration caused by some power intrinsic to it. Or, in other words, that it has its own fuel and hence it is a spaceship of some kind. Of course, in order to determine any of this requires that we have clear images and specific data from reputable space agencies around the world. The acceleration is said to have been 4 arc seconds, which is considered a statistically significant number. An arc second is the way angular movement of celestial bodies is measured. You might have noticed that I try to keep my 3I Atlas updates as reasonable and science-based as possible without falling prey to some lunatic conspiracy theorizing, which admittedly can be fun.